Today we're gonna do a sage coconut beeswax cream. All you need is 3 to 5 grams of beeswax, 50 grams of coconut oil, and fresh sage. At first, add the beeswax to the coconut oil. Then cut the sage like this and add it as well. Start heating up the ingredients above a pot with boiling water. Stir them in between and wait until the coconut oil and the beeswax is melted. Then take it off the heat and fill the liquid into a small glass like this. Let it cool down and put it in the fridge after. If you need to use the cream, take it out of the fridge 10 minutes before using it, due to the fact that the consistency hardens in the fridge. And the reason why you should put it in the fridge is because it will stay fresh for a longer time.